What's new in 11.2.1? Dashboards and widgets. We've added permalink sharing of dashboards. Each Variphy dashboard can now be viewed in a browser without logging in via permanent link or permalink, which is a static link or URL that can be sent out to users. Change management and as-built reporting. Due to popular demand, we've restored the ability to view CUCM, UCCX, and CUC snapshots in the Variphy user interface. You asked, and as always, we listened. DN and dial plan management. When searching or reporting in DN management, a new prefix option provides a more convenient way to search for DNs with or without E164 formats. The selected prefix is automatically prepended to the search value. Also, search or report results now show numbers, patterns, assignments beyond just phones, including trunks, gateways, route lists, device profiles, and more. Upgrade today or contact us for a free trial and get up and running with Variphy in minutes.